Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring the phone supports Touch ID on the power button or side sensor. Check model compatibility and firmware. Once done, make sure the device is charged above 20% and on a stable Wi-Fi network, because setup may download updates. Now open Settings and navigate to Touch ID and passcode. Follow the on-screen prompt to add a fingerprint. As you tap the sensor, lift and reposition your finger to capture edges. This teaches the system how you press and why varied angles matter. You need steady technique to capture an accurate fingerprint. Use a dry, clean finger and, if necessary, remove cases or protectors that hide the sensor. Begin the scan by placing the pad on the side or top sensor, then roll slightly nail to base so the system records edges. Once initial scans complete, do the remaining touches with varied pressure and angles. This improves recognition in real life. Finally, label the print and enable unlock payments and app access so Touch ID works everywhere you expect. You finish by testing the sensor with lock screen unlock and a payment attempt. This verifies enrollment immediately. If recognition is inconsistent, delete the fingerprint and re-enroll because fresh scans often clear persistent errors. When problems persist, over roughly 20% failure rate, restart the device, install any pending iOS updates, and clean the sensor with a lint-free cloth, then retry. If the sensor still fails, contact support for hardware diagnostics. Many issues are fixable, but some require repair, not just software steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.